You put something in the, ano. Okay, come on. What shape is that one? That is? What shape is that one? That is? Oh, where will you put here? Very good. Another shape. What shape is that one? What shape is that? Rectangle. Rectangle. Very good. Okay. Oh, next. Next, baby. Next. Next. That is? What shape is that? Very good. What shape is that, baby? What shape is that? What shape is that one? That is? Oh, you put where it belongs. You put where it belongs. You put it where it belongs. Where? Very good. Oh, next. You get more shape. There are two more. There are two more. Okay. Next. What shape is that? That is? Triangle. Yes. Oh, you put where it belongs. Where it belongs? Very good. Oh, next. One more. Last one. What shape is that? Very good. Oh, you put where it belongs. No. No. You find it. You find. You find. Where? 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 Very good. Very good, baby. Oh, you clap yourselves. 1, 2, 3, go. Clap your hands. Clap yourself, baby.